the manager wants to come and say something about the tournament?
It is very rare, when you all the time work and then you need some relaxation. So it is a very good initiative by the Delta group because it should not be only work and there should not be any play like. So they have mixed it up by having this tournament. It's a Premier League. So what will happen is there will be a lot of camaraderie between each of the individuals. So they at times when there is a big organization and if there is a big strength, they will not know each other. Playground is one thing where the true colors of an individual is the friendship, the camaraderie is built on a ground rather than at a work spot. Because when you come to work, you come for 8 hours and you do your job and you go back. Whereas on the playground, you mix up your true energy, true character is revealed.
Every year we used to keep a cricket tournament, but this was a jointly tournament. We had in-build 4 teams. In that 4 teams, we had Delta Infra, Delta Port, Delta Tech and Worldwide Shipping. So we have taken ladies also this time. We have given equal support for them as per the other staffs, and they also played in this tournament along with the other staffs. And it was fantastic, and the winner of this was Delta Ports. In that one great player was there who have won all the man of the match, man of the series and best bowler for the team Delta Ports.